Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. In iOS 14, Apple added a new Translate app which, as the name suggests, is designed to offer translations from one language to another. Now, my 8-year-old daughter thinks this is the greatest feature ever and is currently trying to talk to our Christmas elves in Spanish because for some reason she thinks that's their native tongue. But I love the fact that she's making use of this app and she's expanding her brain. So let's see how it works. So Translate is its own standalone application. It's not a built-in OS feature. So I've got the app here and I'll tap it to open. Now we get a welcome screen that just gives a quick list of functionality that's available. Conversation mode for one-to-one chats that you have with someone. There's the ability to download language packages for offline translation and saving favourite translations, all of which we are of course going to cover. Now I'll tap continue to move on. We can then improve Siri and dictation by allowing Apple to store audio interactions with Siri dictation and translation on this iPhone. Now, I don't have an issue with that, so I'll allow that. And then we're into the main interface. Now, at the top, we can change the languages. So let's change this English US one here to the proper English, the UK one. Then I'll tap done. Then instead of Spanish, I'll change that to French. There. Now I'll tap done once more. And there are two ways of getting data into Translate. Now we can tap to type the phrase that we need translating, or this text can be pasted from another application such as Safari if you need a translation from there. But I'm just going to type in Merry Christmas here. And automatically the translation appears as Joyeux Noël. Now below this, if it's a translation I would like to reference often, I can tap the star to make it a favourite. And to hear an audio version of a translation, I'll tap the play button here.
Joyeux Noël.
And I'm sure you'll agree that sounds much better than my efforts.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.